Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I am showing you exactly how to create a GitHub account right from your mobile phone. Whether you're on an iPhone or Android, the process is quick and easy, so let's get right to it. First, open your preferred mobile web browser like Safari or Chrome and navigate to github.com. You do not need to download the official mobile app just yet, as it is much easier to set up your account credentials directly through the mobile website. Once the homepage loads, tap the Sign Up button, which is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Next, you will see a prompt asking for your email address. Type in a valid email that you have access to, as you will need to verify it later. Tap Continue, and then create a strong password. You will also be asked to choose a unique username for your account. Keep in mind, this username will be visible to everyone and will be used in your repository web addresses, so pick something professional. Then, GitHub will ask you to solve a quick puzzle to prove you are a real person and not an automated bot. This is usually just rotating an image or picking out a specific shape. After you pass the puzzle, tap the Create Account button at the bottom of the form. GitHub will immediately send a launch code to the email address you provided in the first step. Open your email app, find the message from GitHub, and copy the verification code. Go back to your browser and paste that code into the verification screen. Once accepted, you can skip the initial survey questions by tapping the Skip Personalization link at the bottom. And that's it. Your GitHub account is fully set up and ready to go. You can now download the official mobile app and log in to start tracking your projects on the go. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.